Hi friends, this is Alva. Day by day we are uploading IT related content videos, software solution. Today when I try to install MS Office 2024 or Office 365 any latest update versions, this is a like error code. Okay, how to solve? Okay, this is error. Just close that error and create a new folder on desktop. Okay, MS Office 2024. This is a folder. Just create it. Browse in Chrome, browse and Google Chrome Microsoft deployment tool. Just type and browse it. Download this file. This is a deployment file. Just click download here. Just open, run as administrator, browse to extract, click and continue. Browse to desktop MS Office 2024 file. Just click OK, extract successfully. Then again browse Microsoft customization tool. This is for MS Office download link. Just click on the Microsoft customization tool. Just click open. Here select your bits, 32 bits or 64 bit. I am 64 bit. Just selected 64 bit. Office suites, you select it your office. You want to which your office 365 2024 2021 2019 is there. I want to now to professional 2024. You request to standard 24 or standard 21. Everything is there. Just select it and put the latest version. Then here you need OneDrive desktop options. You select it to enable, or you not need it, just disable it. Just select your language. My language is now United Kingdom. Where is it? Here is there, United Kingdom, English. I selected. Next. Everything is next. Click OK. Your MS Office key is there. Just click KMS activation for MS Office. You need to click it. Then right side is there. Everything you fulfill it all the files. Just click export on right side here. Export. Then just copy your Office open XML format file. Just click OK and same this just configuration export it. Just open the open a folder and copy paste to MS Office 2024 folder. Okay, just copy to 2024 MS Office 2024 in desktop. Paste it here. Refresh it once. Reset. Show. Refresh. Okay. This is a folder. Then just this folder, entire folder, copy paste to C drive. Okay. And on C drive, just copy. Right click, copy, paste to C drive here. Then installation procedure is here. CD space C : / MS Office 2024 and setup space configuration.xml. Okay. Open run as administrator and command format. Right click and open run as administrator. CD space C : / MS Office 2024. That folder path is given to him here. Then same setup file, configure, copy and paste here. Just paste and enter. Okay. Now compulsory need to internet. Okay, need internet. Just put it internet. Then automatically everything download and automatically install. Check your version on Excel. Normally Excel open, and here check your versions. What is your version? I am installed 2024 for professional plus version is there. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching Server Solutions. Like and
Server
subscribe.
Solutions like and share, subscribe பண்ணாத subscribe பண்ணி bell button click பண்ணிக்கங்க.